Miros, the frameless sliding system. Are you looking for a way to enjoy your terrace all year round? Meet Miros, a frameless sliding glass wall system that seamlessly connects your home with nature. Miros is an elegant glass structure based on sliding panels on aluminum tracks. The key feature is the use of 10mm tempered safety glass with polished edges, ensuring impact resistance and total safety. The design is free of vertical frame profiles, providing a completely transparent surface and maximum natural light for your terrace. Here are the key technical specifications. Modularity. Available 3- and 5-track rails allow for structures up to 10 meters wide. Panel dimensions. The width of a single wing ranges from 500 to 1,000 millimeters, with a maximum system height of up to 2,600 millimeters. Mechanical precision. The use of high-quality carriages with ball bearings allows for the smooth movement of panels weighing up to 80 kilograms with minimal effort. Low threshold. The bottom aluminum track is only 17 millimeters high, making passage easy. Unevenness compensation. A built-in roller height adjustment system allows for leveling floor deviations up to 5 millimeters, ensuring the glass panels close perfectly. Sealing. The system is equipped with brush seals and optional transparent interpane seals that reduce noise and protect against wind and dust. In terms of security, the system offers double-sided handles and side locking with a key. The structure is available in many RAL colors, and all components are resistant to corrosion and changing weather conditions. Miros by M. Archisi represents certified durability and precision. Installation guide. See how easy it is to install the Miros sliding glass system. The entire process is intuitive and can be handled by any DIY enthusiast. Step 1. Installing side profiles. We start by screwing in the U-type side profiles. We mount them directly to the structural elements, in our case, a pergola post on one side and the building wall on the other. Once the profiles are screwed in, we apply aesthetic caps to mask the screws. Step 2. Installing top and bottom tracks. Now for the rails. The top guide rail is screwed directly to the upper edge. The bottom guide profile is mounted directly to the ground. In this model, we are using a 3-track profile matched to 3 door leaves. Step 3. Installing glass panels. Once the profiles are in place, we can move on to inserting the glass. We install the panels one by one, sliding them first into the top track and then into the bottom track. Repeat this for every wing. Step 4. Equipping bottom rails, the catchers. To ensure the system works smoothly, we must install special end caps on the bottom rails of the glass panels. These act as catchers. Thanks to them, when you slide one pane, every subsequent one follows automatically. The system allows you to slide the panels in any direction, depending on your needs. Step 5. Finishing and accessories. Finally, you can equip the system with optional elements. Edge strips, rubber seals, or aluminum strips with brushes help seal the structure against the wind. Every system includes side panel blockers, stoppers, that stop the wing in its final position. For security, you can optionally install an internal lock with a key or additional door blockers. Done. Your Miros system is now fully functional.